Hey guys, this is an unboxing of a battery, the correct batteries, for a Canon Sl2. I don't know if that's in focus. Okay, this is a Canon Sl2 screen. This is going to be our daily driver. This is the stock lens. We were able to get this from Best Buy for $356. It was an open box. That's one thing. We are brand new to YouTube. In fact, I'm shooting this with my OnePlus 6T because we don't have the battery for this. And these are some of the things that you're going to go through as a YouTuber whenever you first begin. So this channel, a lot of this channel is really dedicated to beginner YouTubers to just get out there and just record. So that's kind of what we're doing. We decided we actually had a we had a Canon. I forgot what Canon camera that we had. What Canon camera did we have?
The Rebel?
No, it wasn't the Rebel. Oh, the SX740. We had a Canon SX740, and that was horrible. We did a small review. You can check that out on our Straight Outta Content YouTube page. But so we did a lot of research. We almost went with the Rebel, the T6. The reviews for the T6 weren't that great. The T7 was a little out of our price range, so we ended up going with the Rebel. This is a Rebel, but it's an SL2. It got really good reviews. We followed a lot of reviews from Think Media. Shout out to Think Media. They're a great YouTube. They're a great YouTube content creation company, and they explain a lot of things. So he did an in-depth review of this camera and its features and stuff like that. And luckily here in the Houston area, we were able to find one for pretty cheap. So today, finally, after about well over a week of looking for batteries, we finally found the correct battery for this. That's what this video is about. It's about the battery. So if you buy an open box item, it's gonna probably be missing something. They do have some open box items, but you're gonna pay a little more. That'll come complete. Unfortunately, this one didn't. This one was missing its battery. We definitely went with it. As long as it came with the lens, the battery's cheap. So we were able to find the battery. The first set of batteries that we bought was on a recommendation. Don't want to show the address. The first one the battery that was recommended from the Best Buy guy was an LP-E17. I'll put that description down there. That does not fit our camera. The battery that fits our camera is an LP-E17. That's what this is. We were able to find the battery on Amazon. We'll put the description of the correct battery below in the description, and we're going to, this is our first time actually seeing what this camera looks like because we haven't had the correct battery. If you go with this battery, it's going to come with 2 batteries and a charger. Artman. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so it comes with, see if you guys can see this. It comes with a thank you card. A thank you card from Artman. Thank you for choosing Artman. Your suggestions and satisfaction are important to us. Everything good? Okay, and again, we're beginner YouTubers, so we're just giving some inspiration to other YouTubers out there that everything doesn't have to necessarily be perfect. The goal is to just create content. So we are finally doing an unboxing video successfully. We have tried many times. So this battery kit comes with 2 batteries, 2 doesn't say the milliamp. Oh, okay, 2 1300 milliamp batteries. Let's get a shot of that. Is it clear? Okay, 2 1300 milliamp batteries, a dual charger, and the cord. So it doesn't come with the brick, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and your standard cord, your standard mini USB. Now, this camera is a little different. This camera takes a big USB. So we have to, and that's another thing. See, this one is not the small one. It's the bigger one. I forgot what this one is called, USB type B or C or something like that. But it's not the small one. So we would not be able to transfer data from this phone, from this camera to a computer unless we have the right cord. Gonna go ahead and take out the charger. Pretty cool charger, front, back. Looks like you plug this into here. Plug this into here like this. Oh, okay, it doesn't want to plug in. Try it again. Okay, it did take a little, it was a little tough, okay? It was a little tough to plug that in there. And it's nicely labeled, charge 1, charge 2, charge 1, charge 2. I can't show you right now because it's not plugged in, but you would put it in there like that. Yeah, you would put it in there like that, and it clicks down nice and tight, and then it would charge. Yeah. So we are going to finally insert this into the camera to make sure. These are a little offset. So that was the reason, that was how we found out that the batteries that we had were incorrect with the LP-E10. Because my girlfriend noticed that these contacts were all even for the LP-E10. Unfortunately, we need the uneven one. So you have a high one, two mediums, and then another high. And that's the kind of pattern that we have here. I don't even have an SD card, but I think that should be fine. Oh, duh. It's gonna go here. Finally. Oh, and it does work. No card in camera.
I don't know what you do.
Flash off. But it does work, so I don't know why my camera's fogging up. That's weird. But it does work. So obviously these batteries come with a little bit of charge in them. You wouldn't want to use the battery like this right out the pack. I wouldn't suggest it. I would suggest charging it up, let the batteries get fully charged, and then start your first use. But yeah, it looks like the batteries come right out the pack. The 1300 milliamp, we'll put the description of the video. We'll put the description of the battery and the link to the battery below. But if you have any questions, concerns, actually it looks like here that it's actually showing full battery. So there's no SD card, but we're gonna do a review on this camera. As soon as these batteries are charged, we're going to do a separate video of a review on this camera and see if it's the right camera for you. All right, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. We will be trying to upload more content now that we have a working camera. This is Carl from Straight Outta Content. Peace.